This is not motivation, but this is maintenance. Before we begin, I need you to know something and understand this. It's very important. Nothing is wrong with you. If you feel tired for no clear reason, if your mind feels heavy even when your life looks fine, if you're doing everything you're supposed to do but still feel disconnected, this is not a failure. This is a signal. A signal that your mind, your emotion, your spirit, and even your life structure are asking for a reset. And in this space, we don't rush healing. We don't force positivity. We don't shame ourselves for being human. We slow down. We can rebuild properly. If you stay with me through this episode, you will finally understand why you feel the way you do and what to do next. Welcome to the Inner Reset. In this first episode, we will explore why you feel disconnected, why your mind feels heavy, and why your energy doesn't match the life you're living. Most people skip this part. They try to fix the outside world, their job, their relationship, or even their spirituality. But the truth is, the inside must be reset first. Today, we will uncover the patterns that keeps you stuck, and by the end, you will have a clear understanding of where to start your reset safely and intentionally. So we're going to start by understanding disconnection. Disconnection happens quietly. Sometimes it shows up as tiredness for no reason, emotional numbness, or a sense of being off from your life. This is not laziness, weakness, or failure. It's your system sending you a message that your body, your mind, and your spirit are asking you to pause, reflect, and recalibrate. Take a moment now. Close your eyes and ask yourself, where in my body do I feel tired, tense, or heavy? Just notice it, no judgment, just awareness. Okay? So that's the first step we're working on. And now, moving on to the next one. This is the why. Why you're feeling the way you feel. Most of the time, we feel disconnected because we ignore our emotional needs. We are overstimulated mentally. We live on autopilot without intentionality. Our nervous system is overloaded. This episode is about giving yourself permission to notice, to stop pushing, to stop forcing. Now, do this exercise. Take a piece of paper or your journal and write what areas of your life feel heavy or disconnected. Be honest with yourself and just let it flow. And that will bring us to the next one, the next step. Well, in this third step, we'll talk about how to begin resetting. Now that you've understand and you've noticed what's heavy in your life, we can begin the reset. Reset doesn't mean changing everything at once. It's about starting small and starting with awareness. So that's something you should have in your mind and know that reset doesn't mean you have to change everything. It's about you starting that small, small, a bit goes a long way. So I can give you like few example of ways to reset. So let's say number one, take a pause from your routine, and even 5 minutes of quiet reflection really matters. You know, check your energy. Notice what task, people, or habit drain or uplift you. Journal your inner state. Name the emotion you feel without trying to fix them. Breathe. Deep, conscious breathe to settle your nervous system. And now write this down. What am I carrying that is not mine? And what can I release today? Work on this example and write down this affirmation. That's our third step in this episode. While we're talking about noticing, tracking, and planning your reset journey, I want to share something special with you. I've created a mini January planner bundle. It's completely free, and it's to help you design to your days, manage your budget, and clear your mind emotionally, mentally, and physically. To download this free mini planner, simply click the link in the description and subscribe. That's it. It's my gift to help you start your month intentionally. But if you want to go deeper, I also have a full planner available in my shop. It's designed to guide you every day and help you maintain clarity, peace, and balance beyond just January. This free mini planner is perfect to get started, and the full planner is there if you're ready to invest in a complete life beginning tools. So yeah, that's make sure to click the link down below and see what you can have, which one you can go for. But yeah, I make that free mini planner just for you guys, just to show my appreciation and to help you feel connected and all of that. So yeah, moving on back to the video. And now that you've done the most important thing today, you've begun noticing. Awareness is the foundation of transformation. So take a moment now, breathe, feel your body, acknowledge your emotion. In the next episode, we will begin mental clarity and thought detox. So taking the next step in your reset. For now, honor yourself and start for starting. And I will give you this one last affirmation that you can do the closing with. You can say something like, I am allowed to pause. I am allowed to reset. I am allowed to rebuild myself with care. So yeah, that's it for the video. Finally make it to the end of this video. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, noticing, pushing, and reflecting is the first step to reclaiming your energy, your clarity, and your peace. If you haven't yet, don't forget to grab your free mini January bundle. The link in the description. It's a small gift from me to help you start your month intentionally, mentally, emotionally, and physically. And if you're ready to go deeper, the full planner is available in the shop to guide you every day towards balance and clarity. I will see you in the next episode, where we will talk the next step about inner reset journey, clearing your mind and creating mental clarity. Until then, take a deep breath, honor yourself, and remember, you are allowed to pause, to reset, and to rebuild yourself with care. Take care. Bye.